Do you put all your eggs in one basket? Today, I'm actually going to do that, but in a delicious way. Let's make 4 different types of eggs, and while we cook, I'll teach you some really useful collocations and idioms with the word egg. The first type is boiled egg. You just put them in boiling water and wait. It's simple, clean, and healthy. Have you heard that someone is a bad egg? A bad egg is a person who's not trustworthy or causes trouble. Be careful. Don't follow a bad egg. Some people like soft-boiled egg, others prefer hard-boiled one. A soft-boiled egg has a runny yolk and a hard-boiled egg has a firm yolk. Now let's peel this egg to check out the yolk. Here's the egg white and here's the yolk. This egg is fully hard-boiled. Are you a hard-boiled person? Actually, some people are really tough and serious. Nothing surprises them. You can use this word to describe them. For example, many detectives are hard-boiled. The next recipe is for sunny side up eggs. Pour a little oil into the pan, let it warm up, and then crack the eggs in. Don't flip it, just let it cook slowly because a sunny side up egg is cooked on one side only and it's very perfect for a classic breakfast. If something is sunny side up, you can imagine it's bright and cheerful, just like a sunny side up egg. Have you ever walked on eggshells? Maybe you have a sensitive boss or even a friend who gets upset early. You should be very careful about your words and behavior. So you need to walk on shells around them. The next type is a scrambled egg. It's soft, creamy, and easy to make. First, whisk the egg. Add a splash of milk. And cook while stirring. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means don't risk everything in a single idea or plan. For example, I applied for several jobs because I didn't want to put all my eggs in one basket. The last type is omelette, and it has a wide range of variations. Do you like a fluffy omelette or a folded one? You can make it with vegetables, cheese, and even meat. But today, I'm going to make my omelette with mushrooms, olives, and mashed tomato. It's really delicious and full of flavor. It's time to crack the eggs and add them to my omelette. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. It's an idiom, which means you can't achieve something important without making an effort. For example, starting a new project is tough, but you can't make the omelette without breaking eggs. Yummy! Today we learned 4 different types of eggs: sunny side up, boiled, scrambled, and omelette. And we also learned some useful idioms related to egg. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!